Hi, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is John Gora. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one very important document that every creator on YouTube waits patiently for its arrival after getting monetized on YouTube, and that is the AdSense PIN. It took me almost 10 months to receive this document here. In this video, I will show you what you can do to get your PIN delivered in your postal address as provided in your AdSense. So welcome back again. Last year in the month of November, I received an email from Google AdSense advising me that they have sent a PIN to my address that should be used to verify the same address before I could get any amount of money that I generated from the ads that runs on my YouTube channel. I was excited waiting to receive the mail, and so I can just key in the 6-digit numbers to verify my address and start receiving what you guys were watching here gives me as a reward for creating these videos. Unfortunately, first PIN never arrived. The second one, I tried to request for a replacement, it never came. The third one never came. Then I decided to change my address and key in the address of my place of work, which also did not work. I never received the PIN after 4 possible attempts. The only remaining thing between me and confirmation of my address was to use an alternative way, which is known to everyone: verifying your address without using PIN. You send your document to Google AdSense so they can verify whether the address you provided is right according to your documentation, maybe a driving license or ID or whatsoever. You guys know all about that. After 10 months of wait, so a friend of mine used his YouTube account, which is monetized, to chat the YouTube support, whereby he was advised that the only place I could get help is using the community help center. So what did I do? I searched for similar problems posted by other creators and how they got help through the community help center. There are some people who are responding to these posts that are made in the community help centers that have got some certain tags: product expert, diamond expert, and etc, etc. These are the people who are not directly working with YouTube or YouTube support team, but they are indirectly working with them. They can easily access the support team more than we can. So what I did, I decided to give it a try. I just clicked on one of those product expert name, and it took me to their profile, and I went into their websites and checked where I could contact them, and I sent an email to her. Fortunately, he replied to me after 2 days, and he advised me what to do. Go to the community help center, post your problem there, take the code, send me the code, and from there I'll pick it up and I'll try to reach out to the YouTube center. I did the same, posted my problem, took the code and sent her the reference code. Advice was just be patient. The YouTube support team could contact you anytime. The next day in the evening, I found an email from YouTube support team trying to follow up on my problem. And fortunately, we started chatting from there, an email after an email. In the process of chatting and emailing back and forth, I was requested to send a picture of any document that I received through the same address. Fortunately, I had some documents that I had received from my life coaching sessions from Ireland that I had kept, and I went search for it and found it and took a picture and sent to them. The next 30 minutes, another email came, and this email was talking about my address, and she told me that my address was not correctly written as it appears in the mail that I had sent them a copy or a picture. So basically, what I realized is most of the people fail to receive their PIN because of address. And sometimes you might be looking at your address the way you have printed it on Google AdSense account, and it's okay, but unfortunately, the moment that PIN is being generated, there could be some mix-up, especially in the block of wherever place you are living. I took that document, I saw how my address was written on the document, I went into my Google AdSense, I checked how my address is appearing there, and I realized I mistaken it, and I corrected the mistake, and they gave me a positive note that the address was now correct, and they would be sending me the final PIN. So I became patient again, waiting for it, and it took around 10 minutes, and I received an email from Google AdSense again sending me a new PIN, which was written final PIN to the same address that I had corrected in the Google AdSense. After 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks, I received my PIN. So, I was wondering, this thing took me 10 good months waiting to receive, and it never came. But after contacting the YouTube support team, it took only 2 weeks to receive this. To summarize it all, if you are having problems in verifying your address, you're not receiving your PIN, you are trying to send your ID documentation and you cannot receive anything, go to YouTube Community Help Center and check on questions that looks the same as your problem, and try to see the people with some tags, product expert, diamond expert, and chat with these people. But take note, never ever share anything about your Google AdSense to anyone. The only thing that these people will ask you is the reference to the post that you have made on the community center. Anything apart from that, never disclose your Google account details to anyone, including those same experts. What they will ask you only is the YouTube monetization page and the reference of the post that you make on the YouTube Community Help Center. If this was your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and also support this video by liking it and leaving a comment in the comment section. And let's meet again in the next video.